I like these little rigid sanding blocks. I purchased this from Peachtree Woodworking, and to be honest with you, I don't even know what brand it is. It says Craftsman on here. I don't know if this is the same Craftsman as in Sears Craftsman, but I promise I'll find out and leave that information. But I purchased it from Peachtree Woodworking. What I like about it is it has this like levered action that applies tension. But that's not even the sweet part. The sweet part is that they use the same sanding belt that you use on a belt sander. You open up the lever, you insert it, and it's on there. The cool thing about it is the adjustments. Let's say I needed to get into a corner, a tight corner. I could let this hang over the edge a little bit. See that? And I could get up into a corner. I could get up into a corner and sand. Because of its shape, depending on what I'm doing, I got rounded side, depending on what I'm doing, sharp end, depending on what I'm doing. It's a lot of flexibility, and it's dead flat. So if you're worried about the previous sanding block that I reviewed, the softer one, if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link up there. You can go and watch that video. But one of the downside to it, because it's soft, if you're working on something where you want to have a sharp edge, there is a danger of you running over an edge with it. But this being stiff, this being a hard plastic, you can go right up to the edge, and there's no concern about it conforming to the edge and running over the edge. So I like these. You can get them in various grits. I'm just finding out. I don't know how long they've been making it, but I'm just finding out that Merca has the Abinit version to these. So I'm gonna be switching to that. I like even for dustless situation, what I like about the Abinit, because it's a mesh, a lot of the dust, rather than falling away, it falls into it. So it kind of helps with dust control a little bit. But once again, oh, that's what it is. I have two versions, guys. It's the same thing. It look like they come out of the same factory and everything. Everything I'm looking at is the same. One is Craftsman and one is SandDevil. It's two different brands, but I'm pretty sure I got both of them from Peachtree Woodworking. I've owned these for quite a long time, but I highly recommend them, guys. Once again, if you're going to use them, I recommend that you use it with a respirator, or at minimum an N95. Actually, an N95, or at the very minimum, you have some type of, airflow. You're doing it outside, or you have air blowing across the workpiece that's pushing it away from you. But the whole idea is you don't want to be inhaling the particles from sanding. Good purchase. How much I paid for these, I don't know. I think they were under $20, but I'll leave the price down below. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to be notified when new content is dropped on this channel, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and drop a comment down.